Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to import your Outlook calendar into Proton Calendar. So right away we're going to go over to our mail.proton.me and sign in if you're not. And then at the top right area you can see the gear icon. We're going to click on it, then click on all settings. Then right here on the sidebar you're going to look for import via easy switch. Click on it, and here you can see some options. We're going to click on Outlook, and here you're going to make sure you just have calendar selected, and then you're going to click on Start Import. And then next you're going to select an account if you have multiple, or sign into the one you want to. Go ahead and select Accept. As you can see right here, customize and confirm, and you can see calendar selected, import 3 of 3 calendars, create 3 new calendars. Of course, this is just some information which you will get to confirm by clicking on Start Import. Click on it, and you can see creating new calendars, amount of calendars, the import is starting, and it's almost there. And before we're finished, it's ready for you. Then it says importing your calendar from your Outlook mail to your Proton mail. It says also that you'll get an email once the import is complete, and you can close this tab and continue with something else and you'll be notified. So this is how to import your Outlook calendar into Proton Calendar.